Hi! In this short lesson, we'll learn PEMDAS, the order of operations. Let's get started. PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, same level, left to right. Addition and subtraction, same level, left to right. Example, 2 plus 3 times, quantity 4 squared minus 5. Inside parentheses, do exponent first. 4 squared is 16. 16 minus 5 is 11. Multiply 3 times 11 equals 33. Add 2 plus 33 equals 35. Another example, 7 plus 3 squared times 5 modulo 4 minus 8 divided by 2. First exponent, 3 squared equals 9. Now evaluate multiplication, modulo and division, left to right. 9 times 5 equals 45. 45 modulo 4 gives remainder 1. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Now 7 plus 1 minus 4. Add and subtract left to right. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Final answer is 4. Here are 3 practice problems for you. Pause the video, try solving them, then play again to check your answers. To wrap up, use PEMDAS. Remember, modulo behaves like multiplication and division, and always evaluate those left to right. Thanks for watching.